In this video, we will be going over another 11 plus question. So this question uses simple algebra, and we also need to look at the average as well. So we have our question. The average of three numbers is 3. Two of the numbers are the same, and the third is smaller. What is the third number? So we have two of the numbers being the same, and the third is different. So if we have all our three numbers labeled as x, x, and y, so those will be our three numbers. Two of them are the same, which is our x's, and y is our third one. So to find the average, so in this case the mean, you have to take the sum of all the values in your list and then divide it by the number of values. So here we have x plus y, and we have three numbers, so we divide this by 3, and this should give our average, so our mean, as 3. Now let's rearrange this. So we now, if we move the 3 to the right hand side of the equation, we get x plus y is equal to 9. So this happened because we multiplied both sides of our equation by 3. Now we're going to simplify our left hand side, so we can write it as 2x plus y is equal to 9. So from this we know that 2x, our value of 2x has to be less than 9. So, and 2x is an even number because any number multiplied by 2 is even. So if we have our values of 2x, they can be 2, 4, 6, and 8. So these are all the even numbers below 9. Now, if these are the values of 2x, let's get the values of x. So the possible values of x are 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so now we have to try and find the value of y. So we know from our equation here, 2x plus y equals 9. So to find all our values of y, we're going to subtract our value of 2x from 9. So our first possible value of y, we do 9 minus 2, which is 7. Our second possible value, we do 9 minus 4, which is 5. Our third value, we do 9 minus 6, which is 3. And our fourth value, we do 9 minus 8, which is 1. Now, we look back at our question and it says two of the numbers are the same and the third is smaller. This means that y is less than x. So, since we know that y is less than x, we can compare our values of x and y. So, our first two numbers, 1 and 7. Here, y is greater than x. So 7 is greater than 1. So y is greater than x, so this can't work. Next, we have 5 and 2. Here, 5 is greater than 2. So y is greater than x, and this can't work. Our next values, 3 and 3. So here we have 3 is equal to 3, but this is incorrect as well because y has to be smaller, not the same, smaller. And with our last case, we have 4 is greater than 1. In this case, x is greater than y, so it's correct. So our third number, which is y, is equal to 1. As always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.